Simon and I'm from District Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. Before some days, we were just total and complete strangers. In these days, we have come to know each other cultures, traditions, foods, etc. I am really thankful on behalf of my whole team. I'm really thankful and grateful for My Bharat program because they have connected us very beautifully. We have known each other and the activities that we have indulged in were visit to the cricket stadium, visit to the newspaper factory where we saw how newspapers are manufactured, where one idea is converted into thousands of copies. And another great experience was what was it? Zoological park. There we came to know about different animals and different experience. And we are looking forward for these kind of opportunities to get to know our nation better, which includes other states of India. And yeah, thank you.